Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. Like, how are you guys? Are you guys enjoying the weather? How's your Saturday going? Let me know in the comment section below. I am here with a video for you guys, and in this video I'm gonna do my first ever luxury unboxing for you guys on my channel. I haven't done one of these before, so I'm not nervous, but you could say I'm nervous because I don't know how, like, I love watching these, but I've not done one before, and I know I'm going to be all over the place with it because that's just who I am. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to unbox my early push present that I received. So I wanted to share it with you guys as well. I'm not gonna lie, I have taken it out of the box already and I have used it, but I put it back in the box and in its dust bag so I can unbox it with you guys again. My push present is from Louis Vuitton, and this is what the bag looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. This is the bag that it comes in, and inside the bag it comes with the box, and it's the magnetic box. The item is in its dust bag, and then it has like the Louis Vuitton handbook in there. And then, yeah, so that's what it has in there. This is kind of hard, you know, being pregnant and all. But yeah, anyways, let's all get the dust bag out. So obviously this is just your Louis Vuitton dust bag, and it just says Louis Vuitton on it. So inside this dust bag is my beloved push present. I am so excited with this product. You have no idea. When I received this as a gift, I was like literally shocked. But anyways, I was that happy literally. But yeah, so ta-da! So for my push present, I received the Louis Vuitton mini palm spring backpack. It's literally the size of my head, but it is literally the cutest thing ever, and I am so grateful for this present because I have had my eye on this bag for so long, but it's always been out of stock every single time. There's obviously nothing else in the dust bag, but it just has like the authenticity card and, you know, all that stuff in here, so I just leave that in the dust bag. But yeah, so this is the mini palm spring mini backpack, and it has 2 compartments. So it has a little compartment in here, which at first I was like, there's literally nothing I can put in here, but I will show you what I do keep in here afterwards. So I will show you an overview of the bag first, and I'll show you guys what I keep in, how I how I keep things in this bag and what I can fit in this bag basically. So yeah, so then you have your big compartment, and then obviously you just have a little pocket at the back, so it's pretty spacious. Anyways, it comes with 2 leather straps, so, and they're adjustable. I just adjusted mine and put the 2 shorter straps on and made it short to the length I want, because what you can do is wear it as a crossbody as well as a backpack, and I like how you can do that, or you can even hold onto it like that, because this is the top handle of this is pretty sturdy. It's actually really sturdy, and I really like that. I love the monogram print anyways, but I also love the fact that they don't have the they have the black leather with it. So yeah, so basically it has 4 little hooks, and you just clasp your straps onto the hooks. And I've been wearing it as a backpack. I haven't worn it as a crossbody yet, but I have seen so many people wear it as a crossbody, and it looks so good as a crossbody. It's just such a nice statement piece to have. It literally makes your whole outfit, guys. Like, you could be wearing the most boring outfit and chuck this on and it brings some sort of excitement to it. Obviously, I've only had it for a few days now, so I can't really tell you guys about the wear and tear on this bag. But if you guys want to see a different video on that, maybe like after a while of me using it, I can make that video for you guys and tell you about the wear and tear on the bag if you are looking to purchase it. So this is what it looks like with the straps on. And obviously you can just adjust it to how you want it to be on you. But yeah, so right now I'm just going to show you guys what I can fit in this mini bag. Okay, so so the other day I was carrying I'm gonna show you basically what I was carrying around the other day. So I was carrying around my Louis Vuitton, I was carrying around my Zara wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is literally a full-size wallet, obviously, as you guys can see, and it fits perfectly into the bag. And basically what I was doing was I just pushed it at the back of the bag, but then I realized it wasn't as convenient because I had to get everything else out to get hold of the bag. So then I just feel like I don't really need a big wallet anyways with me, because usually I'm using my card, my debit card, or I'm just if I have any cash, I'll just pop it into my clay. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys, you can fit a full-size wallet. You can fit a full-size wallet in this bag, but it just probably won't be as convenient. So yeah, so I'm not gonna put that in today, but what I'm gonna show you is the things that I'm gonna be carrying. So I'm gonna carry my mini pochette with me, and this just has all my makeup products in it, just things that I'm gonna probably need to touch up with, or some lip products, because I can't live without touching up my lips, touching up my lipstick and stuff. So I just have that in there. So I just literally put this, and I'm putting it in sideways. You can put it in backwards, but I just feel like sideways is a little bit more convenient, so I just put it in sideways. And then I have my 4-ring key holder, and I just put that in beside it. Then I have my key clay from Louis Vuitton as well, and in this key clay I basically just put in all my cards that I will need, because I obviously have a key holder, so I use my key holder for my keys. I don't use this, I just use this as a, oh my god, why is it doing that? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I just have my cards in here, and I also have some cash in here as well. So this is quite convenient for me to have, because it does like multiple, like it holds like multiple things. So I've just put that next to it. So right now in here I have the mini pochette, I have my key holder, and I have my key clay in here. Then I have my round zippy coin purse, but in here I just carry my headphones, and I'm going to put that in the side as well. And it's looking like this right now. I'm going to carry a illuminating setting spray just to hydrate myself throughout the day on my face. Just going to pop that in. And as you can see, I still have ton of space in there, so if I wanted to carry my wallet I could, but I just don't need to carry it, so I'm not gonna carry it. I usually like to carry big wallets when I'm carrying a bigger bag. But yeah, so that is everything inside my mini Palm Spring backpack, and if I wanted to I could actually fit some nappies at the back and a packet of wipes. Obviously probably not a full packet of wipe, but I could fit that in there if I had the kids with me. But that's about it. But usually I would just use this bag for my own purposes, not for the kids' use. and it shuts very perfectly still. One thing I will say about this bag, and I think a lot of people have, like the reviews I watched and a lot of people did say this as well, that the zipper of this bag is not as smooth, but they did say that as you make more use out of it, it starts getting a little bit more smoother. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I carry in this little pocket here, the little compartment here. So I just have a mirror in here which my friend gave to me as a gift, and then I have 2 sample size perfumes in here. One is from DKNY and one is Paco Rabanne Pure Excess. Yeah, so I have these 2 perfumes in here because when I went to Boots one time, this guy gave me like loads, like shitloads of perfume samples, and I just literally carry, I just have like so many in my bags. Like all my bags have little something in there of a perfume sample in there. But anyways, so yeah, so that's everything in my bag, and it's not too heavy, it's still lightweight, but even with my big wallet inside it wasn't heavy, it was fine. So yeah, so that's everything you can fit in there, and obviously I have a lot more space. I can fit any extra things if I need to, but at this current moment I don't need to put anything else in there. So yeah, so obviously if you guys want to see more in-depth review on the bag, there are a few on YouTube, but if you want to see one from me, then do let me know in the comment section below. I can literally do that for you guys after I've used it probably like a month or so. Obviously I've only used it a couple days and I've only had it a few days now, so I'm still getting used to the bag and I'm making use out of it, and I'm still figuring out how I like to wear it. Right now so far I'm loving it as a backpack, but yes, I can't wait to try it as a side bag as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and a mini review and a mini what's in my bag video. If you guys did enjoy this video, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share with your friends. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel because it will mean so much to me. I literally love all you guys that are supporting me and have been supporting me. Like, guys, give me some suggestions on videos as well, because I would love to do something that you guys want to see as well. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end this video here right now because I'm getting out of breath and I feel like I don't know what to say for some reason. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.